Welcome to RDWOM. I am Devender. In this video, we will discuss class 7th Maths. Chapter 4 Lines and Angles. In the previous class, you have learned what do you mean by point, line segment, ray, line, and angles. Just we can recall here. See, points. A point determines a location. A point determines a locations. It is usually denoted by a capital letter. See, for example, this is a point I written as a. We can read it as C. I am reading here point A. You can read it as point A. For example, I mentioned here one more point here B. You can read it as point B. This is a point. You can represent here with capital letters only. See here, it is usually denoted by a capital letters only. Point. See next one, line segment. A line segment is formed by joining two points. It has a fixed length. See, I taken here one point, here one more point. The 2 points are I taken here A, B. See here, a line segment is formed by joining 2 points. Yes, you can join it. This is a line segment. AB is a line segment which is a fixed length. How can you express? You can see here AB line segment over it. Just you can see, for example, if you want to, you can take one more. I mentioned here XY. How can you express? See, XY. Very easy. See here, these are the two end points here. X and Y are end points. We can just join it. You will get here line segment. It has a fixed length. Next one here, ray. A ray is a part of line starting at a point and goes in one direction endlessly. That means here, see, this is a ray. For example, I taken here AB. A ray is a part of line starting at a point. See here, A is the end point. On side B, it goes on endlessly. So that you can represent here AB. Just over the bracket. See, over it. AB. If it is XY, see, you can represent here XY. How can I express? Just you can write XY. Over it, you can draw a ray. See here, XY. Direction is more important here. A ray is a part of line starting at a point and goes on one direction endlessly. It goes in only one direction only. Why? Because here X, here end point, here A is the end point. See, line. A line is obtained when the line segment extends on both sides indefinitely. You know that line segment, yes or no? AB is a line segment, yes or no? Yes, see, if it is when the line segment extends in both sides, we can extend here, here also we can extend. That means if the line segment extends in both directions endlessly, that means here indefinitely, we can make it as line. How can you represent here? It is denoted by AB, here C. You can write it carefully. For example, if I draw here XY, see X, Y. You can write here how? XY. Over it, you can draw here line diagram, which are very easiest one. Line segment, ray and point. We will discuss in detail in the exercise problems. Lines and angles. Exercise 1. Question number 1. Name the figures drawn below. See here AB. These two are fixed points or not? End points. So that this is a line segment. You can write here in your answer line segment AB. line segment AB. Next you can see here CD. CD is a line segment or line or ray. See, it has one fixed endpoint. Another point is endlessly. Yes or no? Is it ended or not ended? Just you can see here. It is not ended. That means here CD is a ray. You can write here ray CD. Next you can see here XY. XY is a line or line segment? Line only. Why? Because the 2 points are extended on both sides indefinitely. So that this is your answer as line XY. Line XY is your answer. Next you can see here P. That means here point P. Point P. This is the your answer. Question number 2. Draw the figures for the following. Here OP is a ray or not? Yes. You can draw here OP. That means I am taking a C OP. But OP is a ray or not? Yes. You can extend in one side. OP is a ray. First answer. Next, a point X. That means which is very easy. You can make a point and you can write it as X. This is your solution. Next one here RS. RS is a line or not? Yes. That means I am writing RS R. Yes, this is a line. Next one here CD is a line segment. CD is a line segment. These are the endpoints. See here line segment. This is a line point. Here it is a ray. This is your solution of second question. Question number 3. Name all the possible line segments in the figure A, B, C, D. Just we need to write here line segments in the diagram A, B, C, D. First you can consider here AB. You can write here AB is a line segment or not? Yes. Next you can see here AC. AC. Next you can take here AD. AD. Next you can consider here B. BC. BC is a line segment or not? Yes. Next you can take here BD. BD. Next you can take here C. CD. CD is also line segment. This is your solution. AB, AC, AD. Next here BC, BD. Next here CD. These are all line segments which are possible through the given diagram. Question number 5. Identify the following given angles as acute, right or obtuse. Already you know that acute angle means if an angle is less than 90 degrees, then it is called as acute angle. If it is equal to 90 degrees, then it is called as right angle. If it is more than 90 degrees, is called as obtuse angle. Once you can observe here, it is clearly shows the angle made by two arms. It's clearly less than 90 degrees or not? Yes. So that this is a acute angle. You can write here first answer as acute angle. Acute angle. Next you can see here, once you can observe here, it is more than 90 degrees or not? Yes or no? By observation It clearly shows the angle made up of these two arms is more than 90 degrees, so that it is called as obtuse angle. Second answer is obtuse angle. See here, third one, it is clearly directly mentioned it is a right angle triangle. It is equal to 90 degrees or not? Yes, so that this is a right angle. Third answer is right angle. See here, fourth one. Fourth one which is clearly mentioned it is less than 90 degrees. So that is acute angle. It is more than 90 degrees. So that this is a obtuse angle, which is acute angle. Fifth one is obtuse angles. Just you can remember here, if it is less than 90, acute, equal to 90, 90 degrees right angle. If it is more than 90, obtuse angle. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 7th maths playlist videos.